Hello everyone and welcome to Vlenko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your BIOS version in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To find your BIOS version on Windows 11, the easiest method is to use the System Information tool. Begin by clicking on the Windows search bar, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Type System Information into the search field, and select the System Information application when it appears in the search results. Once the System Information window is open, you will see various hardware and software details about your computer. Look for the entry labeled BIOS version. Next to it, you will find the specific BIOS version installed on your system, along with its release date. For example, you might see a model number, a BIOS version like 315, and a date indicating when that version was uploaded, such as November 30th, 2022. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.